Hello traders, Vladimir Ribakov here from Traders Academy Club, and I am super excited finally to announce that the sRs Pro is finally here for you and is available now. So in this video I would like to show you the new development, the new improvements we included in the sRs Pro. And before that, I would like to take the time and to thank all of you, all of my followers and students who shared their improvements they would like to see in the new version of the sRs. It took us time to develop that, to test it, to beta test and live test everything together to make sure that all the components are set and ready and really work without any trading obstacles on the go and logical obstacles on the go. This is the most important thing. And here it is in its best version ever. The sRs Pro is here and available, and in this video, as I've mentioned, I would like to explain what did we do. So the first thing we have here is the sRs Pro scanner. This is a very simple table that does all the work for you behind the scenes, meaning you choose your instruments that you would like to include. You choose the time frames you would like the system to scan for setups for you. And you would receive the alerts once they are ready. Right here on the left corner of the system, you would be able to see the last given signals on what instrument and time they were generated. Basically what you can do is to choose the pair you would like or the signal you get, click on it, or go from the scanner and click on the scanner you would like to, the pair you would like to see in the scanner. And here is the sRs Pro creation in all its view, the full view with full components in it. So what do we have? The first amazing development, maybe the best we managed to create here, is the combination of the sRs candle and the sRs monitor. The sRs candles, as you can see here, this is an amazing filter by itself to be able to break and separate the the multi-time frame market conditions for momentumal trading in the same direction, candle based. As you can see, in a clear downtrend where you will face a bearish trend, for example, by making lower highs, lower lows, you would see a clear red candles as long as the trend is active, and blue candles when we are facing some little minor corrections. Amazing development, very helpful in trend trading. And the next thing coming with it is the monitors. The monitors, believe it or not, as simple as it looks, it's a multi-creation to be able to scan everything behind the scenes and present it in such little boxes, beautiful, created for you, for the convenience, and to show you when it's going from bullish to bearish, dropping or increasing steps to understand where the momentum is going, is available finally. What you would be able to see here is the 5 given candles, sRs candles of each time frame. So if it's the 1 hour chart, which we are looking to trade here on this example, 4 hour, or the daily, right? So the daily, as you can see, been bullish on the last couple of days, changes to bearish, and we see this momentum improving. The 4 hour chart is bearish on the recent 5 candles, and so does the 1 hour chart. Very helpful. You do not need to go and to switch between the time frame. Everything is available for you right here on the same time frame you are working with. Now, the next great filters we included here for the first time is based on my favorite created indicator ever, and for all those of you who follow me in my work in Traders Academy Club or anywhere in the social media, you know that MACD is my favorite ever indicator that was created, and it's amazing creation by itself, and it includes a lot of information that we can use. So the information I am scanning using the MACD on multi-time frames in its verification is the sentiment and the momentum. The sentiment is the ratio between the negative to the positive appearance on the MACD moving average within a given time, and the momentum is basically how strong or weak the very current momentum is on the changing moving average direction on the MACD on the multi-time frame scan. That provides us a lot of valuable information, how reliable or not, how strong or weak an existing trend is, and accordingly would provide us the opportunities to trade or not. Another very, very important thing we have, it's the headlines for the news. Now we don't see that on the OZN, but let's take a look on any of the New Zealandian pairs, for example. New Zealandian CAD, just for the example. So what do we have here? As you can see, the headlines would show you when we have important data, and this vertical line would show you when you have the data coming. Now, how will that help you? Let's remove this chart, we don't need it anymore. So how will that help you? Basically, you know when the news are, you know when you control your setup, or when you do not enter a setup. Of course, if it's simple minor news to be published, nothing to be changed. But if it's something major that could validate or invalidate your setups, it's better to be there and pay attention to. The sRs includes that, sRs Pro includes that in its variation. And the next part, of course, improved trade manager, which allows you to control full exposure to conservative and aggressive setups. Make partial management as you would like to see on Take Profit 1 and Take Profit 2. You choose the time frame, you choose the management, you choose the percentages for closure. Everything is available for you, for your control. You have the ability to trail your stop loss to break even and risk free any of your trades. You are able to manage all the exposure positions on a given instrument or all the instruments right from the trade manager, and everything is happening for you right here. The best part, for the entries and management, you can open a live market trade, you can open pending orders, both breakouts and limits, which means retraces to a given level, which is amazing improvement and tool when you are trading a break of trend lines or breakout of patterns which you would want to see retesting, for example. So all the possibilities and conditions are available for you, and you would be able to enjoy. I see how many alerts are coming to me live here. So that's the sRs Pro. That's the amazing, I would say here, without thinking twice, development we have. It is, from my point of view, a major improvement for from the sRs 2, which was by itself amazing. But the development we hear here, the filter of the trends, the filter of the noises, the multi-time frame filter in terms of momentumal trading by candles, and momentumal and sentimental scan of the MACD or the MACD, the allowance to see everything how it is built on the higher time frame, it's amazing. The managing part is simply fantastic and allows you to have a full control over your positions. So the sRs Pro, after all the work we dedicated to that, after all the developing, beta testing, live testing, is finally here and is available for you right below the video with all its components. So I am 100% sure you would find the sRs Pro probably the best creation ever in terms of system trading. And if you belong to those who love the trend trading with high probability and risk reward in your favor, the sRs is the right tool for you. I'm 100% sure, confident that you would find that super useful, super easy to work with, and mainly profitable for your trading. So that's all. I hope you enjoy your sRs Pro, and as I said before, it's here and it's available for you right below. Get your copy, join our sRs Pro community, and we are here to help you live in our chat available, and to help you with any single question you might have. Myself, my trading team, and my support team are here for you to make sure the sRs Pro is the best thing you have in your arsenal. So thank you for your time. I'm Vladimir Ribakov from Traders Academy Club, and I wish you a wonderful, successful trading. Ciao for now.